Today's video is the importance of having a home inspection. Hi everyone, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist, and I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and the surrounding areas. In today's market, we are seeing more and more sellers accepting offers with no home inspections or home inspections for informational purposes only. Being in a seller's market is allowing sellers to determine what they are willing to do as far as repairs and what price they will accept. This makes you, the buyer, at a disadvantage. Before waiving a home inspection, first-time home buyers need to consider doing a home inspection to update the condition of the home. This helps you, as a buyer, to make an informed decision on whether you should purchase or not. Here are 3 major conditions of the home which could turn into your nightmare. Consider the age of the roof. Is it original, or when was it replaced? It could be near the end of its life, which means you would have to replace it sooner rather than later, especially if it develops leaks. This could mean a large expense in the thousands of dollars. A home inspector will test the system to make sure it's working properly. If you waive the home inspection and it quits, your expense could be upwards of $5,000 or more. Even if offered a home warranty, there's a possibility of it not being covered. The disadvantage of not having a home inspection is your appliances are not checked. Your stove could quit working, your refrigerator could stop keeping your food cold, and your dishwasher leak. Replacing any of these appliances is not cheap. This is what I found. The money spent on the home inspection, even if the seller doesn't make a repair, it's well worth its money. By knowing some of these potential costs up front, it will help you determine if paying the purchase price is worth it. There are many more items covered in the home inspection. For more information, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. I'll be glad to answer your questions. I am so glad you're watching, so hit the like button. It really helps me out. To not miss a video, smash the subscribe button. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new dream home is only a click away.